For the first time ever, I've been doing the same thing for 30 nights in a row. And I want to take you guys on this journey to explain what I did, why I did it, and then especially the results, the pros and cons to it. And to start this journey, every single night I take a shower. I used to be a morning shower guy every day and then once in a while a nighttime shower. Now I'm morning and night shower every single day. It's just become a habit and a mindset, and I really don't like the concept of not doing that. There will be some like really late stream nights where maybe I don't take that shower and it kind of bothers me. And I don't know how I fell into that, but I just did. I think it's the concept of getting into bed and not bringing anything with me from the day. But then in the morning, I have to shower. I got to style my beard, and I genuinely feel like my face isn't right if I don't shower. I feel like I like walk through the day like, hey, what's up guys? How you doing? But when I shower, it like comes all back to life. So I do shower every morning, every night. So nighttime, I take a shower. I get out of the shower and I dry my beard to a damp-like state. I apply beard oil and then I wait 5 minutes. After those 5 minutes, I apply beard butter. So I've showered, oiled, and buttered. Then I simply put my beard up in a beard knot, in a beard bun, whatever you want to call it, but I call it a beard knot, and I'm going to demonstrate. Now this likely warning is not my best beard bun because it does stick better with butter, it does stick better with a little bit of oil, and I normally have a giant mirror that I'm looking at. I do have an oval mirror, by the way, but a giant mirror that I'm looking at instead of just like a little camera screen. So I have oil, I have butter in, I grab the beard around here, I don't get it too tight, I like to keep it a little bit fat, right, like this. Kind of straighten it out down towards the bottom. I do have a video on this. Put my hand, thumb pointing down, index out that way, flip it over, right? See where the thumb is there. I pull with my other hand to get my thumb inside, twist around, and again, just look up beard knot, guys, and I have a full demo video. I pull it tight, kind of right here, and then I work the knot down towards the bottom. And it just kind of stays like this. And then I go to bed. Now, normally Sam and I will watch YouTube videos for an hour or two, so I'm not immediately putting my face down on the pillow, but this is what I've been doing for the first time. I've been asked about putting my beard up for years now, and once in a great while I would put it up. Once in a great while I would do this or that. 30 nights in a row, I've done this with oil and butter. Let me go over the results. After I introduce myself, welcome guys, my name is Dancy Bearded. This is Beard Stuff and I'm here for it. I love it. I hope you guys enjoy taking care of your beard, learning about beards or looking at beards even a little bit as much as I do. If you do or you're excited to hear about the results, quick thumbs up, the like button, and if you're not subscribed, come on man, it is free. You like the content, you like beards, let's go. Shout out to those returning subscribers. What happened when I did this is my beard has never been softer or more manageable the next day. Super benefits in the softness and the manageability, nailed it, of my beard. And I believe the reason behind that is there's less surface area. I usually switch sides when I sleep. Now, I do have silk or satin pillowcases. It just depends on what Sam has on the bed. And sheets. So it's not something that's the biggest deal. But I have a feeling when I do that, even on the silk and satin, there is some friction of changing sides and rubbing my face. There is some product that's leaving the beard and getting on the bed. That just seems inevitable if you're using a beard butter that's not going to fully absorb. Now, key is don't use too much, of course. But when I do this, it really limits it, and all the stuff that's in here and underneath and trapped inside the beard isn't making contact with the bed at all. And I believe that's a huge aspect. I do believe that when it is tucked into this knot and it's on itself, when it has butter in there, I think it holds that moisture even better because when I take this out in the morning and I run my fingers through my beard, I will still feel moisture at times. Where if I don't and my beard is out and just breathing, not at all. It will not be like that whatsoever. And it's not a problem. I don't have any issue not having my beard up in the knot, but that was the biggest takeaway. Softer and more manageable. However, and this is not gonna be a great example because it's not 6 hours, when I take it out in the morning and the beard goes down and I go like this, you can see here just an idea. It is not ready to be styled. To get my beard anywhere near being presentable, I need to fully shower. I can't even really do this. I can't even really go to the sink. Even right now, you can tell my beard did not look like this, and that was a matter of what? 4 minutes, if that. That's not great, right? That's not great at all. After this, I'm going to wear my beard up for the rest of the day because I'm not going to be able to get that style back again. So that is a huge con, especially like my schedule. I go to the gym first thing in the morning. I do not shower before the gym. I do not super style my beard before the gym, but all I've been doing is rocking my beard in that beard bun at the gym, and I kind of prefer it. It's not an issue at all. It stays out of the way, stays nice and tight, looks kind of presentable, so it's not an issue. However, if you're someone where you're like, Dan, I can't do my beard in the morning, I don't have time, this might not be for you at night. Pros, cons, but I am enjoying it. And the last kind of topic I will say is people ask, how do you sleep with that beard? I'm at like 14 inches right now. Does it get caught in your armpit? Does it get ripped out by your partner? I never really noticed it. Maybe here or there, if I'm rolling over and Sam like rolls on my beard and I try to pull away, maybe that's a little bit of a tug, but it just became like, I don't know, subconscious and just a part of dealing with the beard. I didn't really think about it. This is nicer. This is less to deal with, less to worry about, and it stays up. I don't use a hair tie. I don't use anything else. Before anybody asks, no, it's not damaging at all. You can braid your beard. You can go tighter than this. You can go a double knot, triple knot. You don't have to worry about damage unless you're using actual like rubber for a rubber band or a tie, or if you're doing it too tight where the hairs are being bent at like 90 degree, 45 degree angles, those aren't good. But when it's loose, when it's kind of like this, no concerns, no worries at all. So, to wrap this up, conclusion, have you tried this? Is your beard long enough? Do you want to get to it? What other questions do you have for me? I'm an open book, you guys. Last night was night 30. I filmed it today, so it's fresh on my mind. I would love to be able to give any feedback that I can. If it is at a length that you can do, consider it. I'm really happy with it, and I think I'm going to keep going. I'm going to try different butters and maybe update down the road, but that's all I got today, you guys. Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.